Where have you been, little Tanya? We've been waiting for trains for ages now. Yes, I've been waiting for my train for 30 minutes now. Well, I had to pick up a goods train from Wellsworth because there was no one else available. Besides, you had time. Why couldn't you have done it yourselves, or are you all afraid of harder work? Watch what you speak, little Westerner. No one will ever say we're afraid of hard work. We just draw the line at goods trains and shunting dirty trucks from dirty sidings. Why? Well, that's rich coming from a mixed traffic engine. And you, Henry, a black 5, considering you're the main goods engine. What? I, I still should not shunt. Oh, so should I let the Fat Controller know that you're planning on going on strike? Can't believe this type of behavior is allowed here. On the Great Western. That tin-pot railway. Tin-pot indeed. Let me tell you. Silence! Let me tell you that an engine for goods will go arrive from Scotland tomorrow. The winter traffic will stop creeping into our regular traffic. And as we found out from the summer that we can't keep loaning engines from Bjorgen, so I bought a permanent solution. And let me tell you also, Henry Golden and James, that you will shunt when necessary, and you will pull good turns when required to. No interferences. Am I understood? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good. Golden and James, your passengers are waiting. And Henry, go get your goods train ready. Duck, please go and have a rest before you head back to work. Thank you, sir. The Twin Engines by Reverend Wilbert Awdry. Did you say 2 engines, Inspector? Yes, sir. Then send the other one back. Certainly, sir. But, but which? Engines have numbers, Inspector? We bought number 57646. So send the other engine back. Quite so, sir. But there's a difficulty. Whatever do you mean? The 2 are exactly alike, sir. They have no numbers. They claim they lost them on the way. That can't happen. Numbers are painted on. Oh, right. We'll soon settle that nonsense. Lead me to them at once. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Now, I heard you two lost your numbers. How did that happen? The morning is slightly slipping off, sir. You can who it is. I know. Accidentally on purpose. Sir, you wouldn't have been thinking we lost them on purpose. I'm not so sure. Now then, which one of you is 57646? Well, that, sir, is just what we kinda mind. What do you mean? We have plenty of numbers all year, sir. We're just gonna move on the movie avenue. Hey, we kinda see our cabsides after all. What are your names? Donald, sir. And Douglas, sir. Good. Then your manager could tell me which one of you was which. Oh, you get no more go help for him, sir. Why ever not? He doesn't ken our names, sir. Who could he? We only ken ourselves names we lost our numbers. Right. One of you is playing truant. I shall find him out and send him back. Inspector, give the numbers. Donald 9 and Douglas 10, and set it to work. You may have noticed again. What, you want pinters may have forgotten something? What did they forget? They printed brand new numbers on our tenders, but they put none on us. You mean, just that? No, who'd you wish? Here's the inspector. Now, 9 and 10, here's Duck. He'll show you around before you start work. Hello, you two. Nice to meet you. I'm Duck. Pleasure to meet you, Duck. I'm Donald. Your name, Douglas. Nice to meet you. Now, I heard there was some sort of mix-up, because the Fat Controller did only buy you one engine. He didn't care what you know about. What? Hey, 2 engines are a year, so 2 engines are a boat. Well, having another set of buffers will help us with the workload. Whatever to help the big engines from complaining. Oh, I understand. No, what needs to be done? They wanna get to work. We like you fine here. Well, that's good. Now take my tip, and be on the lookout for Gordon, Henry, and James. They are sure to try some nonsense. Tinha fashion seal duck? We'll soon see all them. Have you heard the new engine's whistles? I know! They sound like buses or ships. Tugboat Annie! You wanna be making fun of us? Wait, no, no, certainly not. That's fine. No, just me I and keep we. We're not messing with them. No. Now, I should let you two know. After Gordon arrives with the Wild Nor'wester at 3:30, there's this extra brake coach that'll be behind Gordon that'll need to be shunted to platform 5. Thomas will be coming down from Nafford to collect that coach. The special coach will head down his branch with him and Annie and Clarabelle. They understand? Thank you. I'll go and shunt Henry's goods train now. I hope Sir Charles doesn't find that I shouldn't be here. Oh, I'm gonna be going back. Where's my coach? Coach? What coach? My special coach, the one that Gordon brings for me. She's gone and I must find her. My passengers are still inside her, waiting for me. Los six, honey. Mona stole the special coach with the others. Maybe I can. Oh, your wish to you. Do you say that? Oh, you'll be complaining to Sir Charles. We'll be coming here next. Oh, no. What do we do, Donny? New lesson. We'll change standards and allow a heat on. Now take young goods. Then you fashion Quick now. Do as I see. Number 9. And why have you not taken the goods? My tenders are sir. I see. Some defect, no doubt. Now, tell me, why did number 10 leave so quickly? Maybe, sir, he saw you coming and thought he was late. Hmm. Here, ladies and gentlemen, are the facts. Number 10 has been shunting in the yard, and your coach disappeared. We investigate. Number 10 disappears too. Please draw your own conclusions. Please accept my apologies. The matter will be investigated. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, are you okay? I'll be alright. Douglas, why are you masquerading with Donald's tender? There must be no more tricks between you two. I'll be watching you two even more carefully. I have to decide which one of you is to stay. If I'm going to have two engines, I'm expecting double the output, and this has not been the case at all. Now what do we do? Each one be as good as the other, and you'll have to keep us both. This is the third time you're late this month, Adaptation. What do you have to say for yourself? I'm sorry, sir. My own truck service is causing trouble. And you're on Bragvan. You're old enough to understand how to handle trucks. Now tell me whether we late with the stone train. I'll be letting the fat controller know about this. Make sure you won't be late again. Oh, I cannot talk it anymore. That damn brakeman be nothing but causing me to be late. I cannot keep going like this, Johnny, or Sir Charles will send me a water for sure. What? You're a muckle nuisance. You still leave you behind, I've been wanting. You can't. I'm essential. Oh, are you? You're nothing but a screeching noise when all said and done. By die, would you? Take that! Oh! Oh! There more coming! Shit, you misbehave! He didn't again, he did it. Why you getting that breaker on by you, Donny? You need to fast yourself. We more stick together. Ah, you two. There's another good strain that needs to be taken to Napford. Can one of you take it? You cannot take it. I've got a passenger train in half an hour. Donald, you're up then. Hey, sir. Cheerio, Donald. Cheerio. What? I can't stop! You clumsy great engine! You've jammed all the points of my box! Now you're stuck there! Serves you right for spoiling my signal box! You painted too! I am disappointed, Donald. I did not expect such clumsiness from you. This interference has caused much confusion and delay. I had decided to send Douglas back and keep you. I'm sorry. I should think so too. Excuse me, sir. Bus driver, can I go on? This isn't Donald's fault, sir. Donald, and Douglas by extension, wasn't maintained properly by British Railways before coming here. Donald's brakes simply failed. Alright. We can't have unmaintained engines on my railway. Donald, you and Douglas will be sent to the works for inspection and fast-track repairs, but due to the busy season coming up, only essential and minor maintenance can be done. Thank you, sir. But you still have upset my arrangements. This is most inconvenient. Now James must fill in for you while you and Douglas get maintenance, and you'll get your tender mended. He won't like that. And now the yacht's stuck and the trains can't be shunted. Make sure you two deal with the backlog when you return. That stupid Donald! Slamming into the signal box, making havoc in the yard, and now making me handle his goods trains. Yuck! It did cause quite a lot of chaos, but it's not his fault if he wasn't taken care of properly. Though it did cause delays, and the backlog of work we'll have to deal with after the signal box will be repaired will be a lot. When do you think you'll be fixed, Duck? I'll say about 3 more days. Alright. At least having Donald and Douglas means we'll have another pair of buffers. Hey. Not good enough! He shouldn't have had that accident in the first place! Oh, one would think that Joe had his accident on purpose. I wouldn't put it past him. Pah! Hey, handy. He had a deal. Build an engine and some Todd wagons. Shut up! It's not funny! Will. Surely, James, it wasn't you. You didn't see it. You think you got this, Joe? Of course. I'll be fine. If you say so. Hold back! Keep going, James. They're acting up. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Something in the pipes, most likely. We'll need to stop at Edward Station and get a banker if we want any chance of cresting Gordon's Hill. Even then, there's no way we'll make it all the way to Barrow. Oh, nope. I give up. Oh. Ah, Douglas. James's guard had the clock off sick, and James himself is losing steam. Mind backing the train to Marin? The train can be shunted there, and you can take over while not disrupting the timetable. Our controller already agreed. That'll be no problem. What, James? I didn't think you'd be needing me help. Something's blocking my pipes. I need help getting over Gordon's Hill. Please. Det är den affärsgrej jag har gjort. Ow, it's you. We have knee problems, right? Yes. Good. Ready? I'm ready. Come on. Come on. Keep moving. Keep moving, you. Father takes tricks. We're playing tricks. I'm losing steam. Losing steam. I can't do it. I can't. Damn it. Lie it to me. Lie it to me. I wished I never thought of this. Trucks. Go on. Come on. Are you wished? Douglas. Oh, back. Douglas. Oh, back. I'm getting squashed. Are you wished? Douglas. Douglas. Douglas! What happened? Douglas? Douglas! I might have known it would have been Douglas. I'm sorry, sir. Maybe I was clumsy, but I wouldn't be bitten by Anthrax Ivan. I see. Douglas was grand, sir. James had no steam left, but Douglas worked hard enough for 3. I could even hear him from my yard. 2 would have been enough. I want to be fair, Douglas. I admire your determination, you and your brothers. But I don't know. I really don't know. Dougie, what happened? I crushed a brake on. Yeah. Oh no. They will send me away for sure, don't they? Luck's been against us. I just didn't know what to do for the best of us anymore. I I can't be sent back, Donny. I know, Dougie. I know. Donny, I'm wanting you to know this. If I get sent away... No, you'll never be sent away. And if you are, I'm going with you. Donny, please, don't give up on paradise just for me. Nothing is paradise with you. You're my brother, and we always been together. If you're going to a sighting to be arrested away and cut up, I'm going to be right next to you. You're my brother. And nothing is gonna change that. Tony, I, I love you, brother. I love you too, Dougie. We'll always be together. I promise. So, Douglas stowed away to here, all the way from Glasgow with you. Hey, I asked the crews to paint over our numbers on our cab. And after I coupled up the Dougie, me and my crew took him and his crew to the air while he was in his steam, making it seem like only one engine. Huh, why do you even bother bringing him with you? Didn't you know? Diesels. Diesels? Steam engines are getting replaced now. Only a few other steam engines were on our shed by the table left. We once had a diesel here. He was a shuttler. He caused all sorts of mayhems. He told names to trucks and lied that Duck told him those. That caused me to be sent away to Wellsworth until I prevented an accident from happening. Well, you did end up crashing into a barber shop. You even got a shave. Very funny, James. Besides, they'll only shunt us, and I haven't seen a single mainline one a barrel at all. And BR haven't sent a single diesel for running in trials after that one. Well, whenever I go to Manchester with the Flying Kipper, there seems to be more and more diesels. Shunters just like the one we met, medium-sized diesels for branch line and urban work, and even for mainline trains. I pass by them every time. I I don't even think that the standards are safe. Hey, and branch lanes are getting close too. That we do know of. One of our branch lines is currently fighting closure as well, actually. You didn't say. Well, whatever British Railways decides to do, we know that we're safe here. The Fat Controller has never scrapped an engine, and we know that he's made it clear that he never will. Most definitely. Especially after 1934. I still remember how the Fat Director, his father, reacted when the board made their decision. I don't think he ever truly forgave himself. Um, the same here. I can understand what you're going through, Douglas. I was in a similar situation once. Really? When my old line closed down, my crew sent a letter to the Fat Director, and he bought me. It sounds just like him about steam preservation. I'm sure he didn't want to keep a troublesome engine like me. Nonsense. He dislikes honesty, but he'll be more than willing to come up with a solution for both of you. Thank you, Toby. I'll think about it. Snow? Now? It's barely December. Guess we'll have to get the snowplows out. Wait, where's Henry? Does he not come back from pulling the kipper? And speaking of missing, where's the twins? Snowdrift ahead, Donny. Here is the bro one. Losh sakes, Donny. It's Henry. Dinny are fashionly. Beat we will. We'll get you. Thank you so much for your help, you two. How long were you in there? I don't know. Is it still 1959? Hey, now come on. Let's get you home. Henry, are you okay? Duck told me you were missing. My injector failed. My fireman had to drop my fire, and my crew and guard had to take shelter in the signal box. They went to call for help, but they didn't return. think the station master at Farquhar said the phone lines are down due to last night's snowstorm. Oh, that explains things. I need someone to take a goods train to Velsworth. Do we have a volunteer? Dougie and I cannot take it. We have to go blue again soon. I need an inspection. Percy, can you take it? I can. Thank you. Percy, hello. How's things on your branch line? Great. Even with Thomas complaining about the snow. Oh, I'm sure. But is there anything else on your mind? You seemed quite focused when you came in. Yes, and I was hoping to talk with you about it. Oh? It's about Donald and Douglas. The Fat Controller is planning to send one of them away, but if he does, they said that they'll be scrapped. Does he know about this? No, and we're worried about him because he went to that meeting at London with the BR board. But we know that we can't interfere with him. Well, I have an idea on what to do. I know what to do! I know what to do! Percy, calm down. You know what to do about what? How to save Donald and Douglas. Edward said we need a depot station. Of course! Wait. What did you say, Percy? A desperation? Edward said it's when the end just tell the Fat Controller something is wrong and ask him to put things right. Tell the Fat Controller? I propose that Percy be our disputation. Wait, what? I can't. I can't. Rubbish, Percy. Besides, you're the one who told us about the idea. You know what to do more than all of us. But, 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 it's settled then. I really hope it wasn't. Hello, Percy. It's nice to be back. Ah, sir, you're back early. Yes, I'm glad to say that the meeting with British Railways went much smoother than first expected. Oh, that's good to hear. What's wrong, Percy? You seem nervous. Um, um, please, sir, they made me into a desperation, sir. To speak to you, sir. I don't like it, sir. Do you mean a deputation, Percy? Yes, sir. It's about Donald and Douglas, sir. They say, sir, if you send one of them away, sir, that they'll be scrapped, sir, and the other won't let that happen, so... All right. Thank you, Percy. I understand. That will do. Please come to the sheds here when you're done with the meal. Yes, sir. I had a deputation yesterday. Now, I have made this clear and I will make this clear again. I do not approve of interference. However, I am very understanding of your feelings, and I'm proud of you to be willing to talk to me in an appropriate manner. Donald, ready, sir? And Douglas, yes, sir? I heard your work in the snow was good. For that, you deserve a reward. What color paint would you like? What do you think, Tony? We always wanted to be blue. Bacon. But with all the other blue engines, I think Buck makes us stand out. But something different will still be nice. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Aye. Line black, sir. Please. Very well. However, you will be given nameplates. We won't have any more tricks or mistakes. Thank you, sir. Sir, does this mean that the both of us... It indeed does mean that Donald and Douglas are now part of our... Finally! Now, time to go get more water before we... That sounds like a steam engine. Who's there? Are you a Northwestern engine? Eh? I'm proud of it. Oh, thank goodness. I'm Oliver. I'm here with my brake van Toad and my coach Isabel. We were escaping to your railway, but we ran out of coal and have no more steam. Is it from scrap you're escaping? Yes! Planet's glad I'll be able to help you, but we must work fast. Driver, you got any ideas? Gar, go make some transfer labels for Oliver on the lot. And Oliver, get your crew to chuck scrap on you all. Quickly now. In time to turn around. I'm all around back 10 to first. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! The steamer's escaping! Yoo-hoo! Took no notice. Hey! Stop! Stop! Aha! A Western engine, a Western auto coach, and Western goods brake too. You can't take these. Can we? No. They're all for us. For the scrapyard to kill the idiot. See for yourself. Seems in order. But it's queer. Sure it is. But I could tell you're queer. So can I. Alright. Right away, God. A near thing. Well, we've had worse. We're all the way from Gloucester. Wait, Gloucester? That's about 200 miles from here. Yes. We ran at night. Friendly signal passed us from box to box when no trains were about. We got on well until Control heard about a mystery train. Then they tried to hunt us down. What you do? A signalman let us hide on an old quarry branch. My driver, fireman, and guard blocked the cutting with rubbish and levered one of the approach rails away. We stayed there for days, with diesels banging, growling like hounds outside. I was very frightened then. Small blame to ye. We're home! They can't catch you now! Tell Isabel and Toad, please. We're home! You're safe now! What the? That's Isabel. There's a bell on her, you see. She has a cab that my driver can control me in while my fireman stays on my footplate while going in reverse. The bell is so my crew can communicate to each other. You didn't say. No, about this Toad. All the wish, yon's the works. We mun slip in unbeknownst and find a place for Oliver. Hello, Douglas. What's going on here? Please, sir. Oliver here is escaping from scrap. He needs a place to hide. Please let us keep him here. Oh, I know just the place. Thank you ever so much, Douglas. Goodbye. Yon's an enterprising engine. I ran away here when Donal, but I'd been feared to do it all on me own.